because of the weather, we, like I mentioned, we put Iris here. We took her in too because it's can be really hot for her even if you douse her with water outside, and it's not fair for her to stay by herself when all the other 4 dogs are all inside, and she's getting used to being inside. But this one, Chunky, he's loving the AC, the cold room. By the way, we have him neutered 2 weeks ago, and he's still wearing his cone. And then Chance, we took him in for his surgery last Friday, so it's only few days. That's why he's still also wearing a cone right now. But so there's 4 of them eating in here, and then you have to spread them out or they will like fight. And then the other one is inside the room. Sadie is inside our room because she's always the one that takes forever to eat. I doubt that she's eating right now. See, her food is still... Go eat your food, baby. Go get your breakfast. Go get your breakfast. You be a good girl, okay? You be a good girl. Go get your breakfast. Yeah, she's always takes longer to eat. Usually she stays there in the service area, but I cannot let all the other dogs, once they're done eating outside, to go poop because she's there and she doesn't like it. She's guarding her food, so I have to put her somewhere else. So that's our usual thing here. Iris is done. I gotta let her out because she always do her business really quick. Let's go, baby. Here's the cat, Butterscotch. I don't know where's her baby, so I gotta let them out. Hi, Chunks! Did you finish your food? They gotta go. They're just so happy. Chunky! Come on, hurry up! Go! Go potty! You be a good boy. Chunky! He's the one that always try to escape. Whenever he's here inside, he hates it. He doesn't like being an inside dog. He always tried to escape through the fence. So now he's fixed. He doesn't check that fence anymore. He don't care. He's just happy. Come on, Odin and Chance and Sadie still outside. Sadie didn't eat her food, so we'll put it in the fridge. That will be her food for later. I'm sure later she will eat it. Good morning from the Philippines. Welcome back. That's the AC you're hearing. It's not even 6 o'clock. We had to cut our morning walk shorter because one of the new dogs that getting treats from us decided to follow us when we're going out all the way. We didn't even make it to where we go down to our usual route for our walk, and so we had to cut our walk short. So we returned, and then hoping that he will go back to where he's living, which is the church here. But oh no, he decided to follow us all the way here at home, and now he's outside in front of the house being chased by the little cow. He's still outside, so we're trying to like make him go, and that he figure out that okay, I need to go back home. Now if you can see him, excuse for the mess in our window, but there he is, right there, that dog. So he's still in front of the house right now. Update, he's still out there. That's him. Yep, we can't go out. Dog finally took off. He found a bone, and now he's there in the middle of the field right there somewhere. He's still here around, but he's just walking. Oh, then go. There. He's walking away now. I don't know if you can see him. He's somewhere in there. Yeah, he's walking back to the front. He's a stubborn dog. He's a good dog, but he's just so stubborn and don't listen. Chunky, Chunky, quit.